This time I will discuss another test to determine the resilient modulus of soil or any aggregate base layer. So before starting that, let me summarize again. So this is my pavement layer. Surface layer is asphalt or concrete, then base, subgrade. So when we design the pavement for these three layers, our main input parameter is resilient modulus. But this test is costly in terms of time, skilled labor, and costly equipment. So most of the cases we do not do this test. We use some shortcut. What are the shortcut? So here you can see here, second one. We can calculate CBR, California bearing ratio. It's a very quick test, and place it here. Find the resilience modulus in PSI, pound per square inch. Or we can calculate the DCP, not calculate, measure the DCP value, dynamic cone penetrometer value. Insert it here, we can find resilience modulus. Or we can measure our R value of the soil. R value, insert here, find MR. So that is another shortcut. So there are different shortcuts of measuring or calculating MR. This time I will show you another shortcut. What is that? Just the gradation and Atterberg limit. What is that shortcut? So that equation I am taking it from your book. It is resilient modulus 25575 1 plus 0.728 P200 PI P200 PI then power 0.64. So what is this here? This will be in PSI. Our resilient modulus will be in PSI. This is a number. What is this? P200. Passing number 200 sieve. Passing number 200 sieve. So passing number 200 sieve. And we express it in decimal. In decimal. If it is 4%, 0.004. And what is this? Plasticity index. Plasticity index. Liquid limit minus plastic limit is called plasticity index. Yes, so hopefully you know this by this time. When you did the soil classification, you use this, yes, plasticity index, liquid limit minus plastic limit. So if you know these two terms, you can calculate the resilient modulus of the soil. So there are different ways you can find the resilient modulus. First, directly measure it, but time consuming, or by California bearing ratio, or by DCP, or by R value, or by soil plasticity index and gradation. Every time you will get your MR in PSI. In PSI. This value in the number 0 to 100. This is millimeter per block. This is again a number 0 to 100. So hopefully you understood the different ways we can calculate resilient modulus of soil. Why do we calculate it? It is the main design parameter. Design input for soil or any aggregate layers for pavement design. So this is why we need to measure this. If we cannot define options. So okay, so I will stop here now.